Yeah, I'm sure you heard all about it. The talk about the Solana Summer. Everybody's talking about it, and I think there are some really good reasons why. And I do have some projects I want to show tonight, and they may convince you that Solana Summer is a real thing. So, I'm Lisa, this is NFT Rex, let's go. Yeah, all the projects I'll be talking about this evening are on Solana blockchain, and yes, so Trippy World is absolutely no exception here. Yeah, so all of them will have open discords, so quite different from Ethereum. Yes, they do not lock their discords, and so far I haven't stumbled upon one. So they have 237k followers, guys. This is super serious and trippy. As you have seen, I've done the shamans and tripsters and all of those projects kind of. I have a thing for it. The art is looking really trippy, but quite different from all the other trippy collections I've seen thus far. Okay, this is kind of full on Rick and Morty, but I don't know. I like it. Yes, the art is, I mean, look at this. It is amazing. The reactions to anything they do are just insane. I mean, these are tens of thousands of people reacting to anything they do. So this project is I don't know what to say. Let's go to Discord. As expected, Discord is looking pretty dang good. So almost 25k people here, and the whitelists are almost fully given away. I mean, there are just a bit more than 100 left. And so yes, if you may be the lucky one, how can you get it? They say we are working with select projects to give whitelists to their DAOs and be active kind as usual, create a post fan art, and you may be the lucky one. So you're not too late. There are still 100 of those, more than 100 left. Okay, number 2 on the Solana list for tonight is the Primates, and there is a building a brand to propel the Web3 space. Okay, propelling Web3. We are all looking forward to it. Let's take a look at the art. I don't know, looks kind of sick. Come on. Okay. Looking really good, and of course there is a good reason why. I mean, there are 182,000 people following their Twitter. I'm definitely gonna put on a belt there. So the interactions are still amazing. Maybe half of the Trippy World. Primates, as expected, have a really decent Discord. Primates 86k, and yeah, so mint date and mid price and supply, everything is yet to be announced, and the official links are here. There is a Twitter, Discord, website is under construction. So this project is still kind of new in the early stages of development, so you can still get the whitelist and all of it. But let's see how we can do it. Be active, Discord plus Twitter, fan art, collaborations, just as usual, nothing special here. But I think getting a whitelist for this project is gonna take you to the moon. So may the odds be in your favor, guys. Number 3, and I think I'm gonna make it the last time, it's called the Vandal City. Yes, they have open Discord, this all do 210k followers on Twitter, guys. And I mean, all of us have grew up, I mean, most of us have grew up on GTA, and we sometimes enjoy being vandals. Okay, the art is looking pretty darn good. This guy is kind of a vandal vampire with a nunchaku. Okay, it is kind of a mix of many styles, but still looking really good. And their engagements are not as impressive as the first 2 projects, but still definitely something worth paying a close attention to. Don't you just love it when everything about a project is really into that theme, and let's say the city gutter for all the vandals joining, and so you can go there to city gutter and read all about this project. And yes, they say fugitives, okay, and they have quite a few. Their Discord is full, and yes, so official links over here. They do have their Twitter, and that is pretty much it. So I think this project is still kind of fresh. How to whitelist, always the question. So have your project DAO, fill out application. Okay, so collaboration, we involve tokens during pre-launch games. Okay, you can play games. Fan art, being active and helpful, win a Twitter giveaway. So just nothing special in this regard, but there are so many special things about this project, and let's take a look at the sneak peeks. Yeah, so this is the style. The art is looking pretty than good. But yeah, this was the first one of possibly many more to come of the Solana projects. And yes, of course, I'd love to hear what you guys think about the Solana Summer coming. Do you think it's a real thing or just the hype that's gonna fade away real soon? I don't know, I guess time will show, so may the odds be in your favor.